My name is NTC7000 or NTC7000.
I just took over his intro.
We're challenged.
See that? You jumped.
I can't never forget that. I hate that video so much.
What's up everybody, it's your boy NTC7000 coming to you with another cooking video. Today we're going to be doing some keto pizza. I'm hoping it's turning out good because I enjoy a good pizza here and there, and this will be a great addition to my keto meal planning. Firefighter is here. He's upstairs doing a couple things. He will probably be down when the food's ready like last time, or he might come help to do a couple little things. Don't really know, but we're gonna go ahead on and get into this video. All right, so what you're gonna need here is you're gonna need yourself some coconut flour, which luckily I still have some from the last video. You're gonna need yourself some cream cheese, which I still have some from the last one, and I also bought an extra thing that's over there. You're gonna need yourself some eggs. Of course, you're gonna need your toppings, which breakfast ham is the same as Canadian bacon, so I just bought some of that. We got some pepperoni, and then I got some real bacon pieces because I don't feel like frying up bacon and crumbling it into pieces. So that works even better, honestly, to me. And then you're going to need yourself some mozzarella cheese and some regular cheese also. So we're going to see how this turns out. Let's get on into the next steps. Oh, also, before I forget, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. So you can use whatever type of cheese that you want. The recipe calls for mozzarella, but you can use whichever one. I'm going to use mozzarella because that's what it calls for, but of course we all know that Firefighter's not crazy about mozzarella, so he probably will want a different type of cheese. So there's 1 cup, and there's 1/2 cup. Then it says 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, which is about 1/8 of a pack of cream cheese, so that should be about it. Now it says cubed for the cream cheese, so I just kind of cut it up a little bit. But what you're going to want to do is take it and put it in the microwave for 45 seconds. Now at the 45-second mark, when this gets done, you're going to want to take it and you're going to want to stir it up. And then you're going to want to put it in for another 45 seconds. So I'll time lapse this for you guys so you don't have to wait. Alright, so that's what it's going to look like once you get it done out of the microwave. Just kind of mix it around a little bit. Alright, so then you want to take your 2 beaten eggs and pour them into there, into the mix. Stir it up good. Then you want to add in your coconut flour, 1/3 cup. And then you want to stir this. Now you might actually have to get your hands dirty on this part. Well, you're gonna have to get your hands dirty on this part because this is your dough. All right. You're going to want to knead the dough. Keep everything together, good and together. Knead your dough. just like dough to me. Alright, so I took a little more time and I made a couple of extras just so that everybody could have one. And also I wanted to see kind of how the dough would keep. And it seems like it's keeping pretty well. You know, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it on some parchment paper. I don't believe that I said that in the beginning that you were gonna need parchment paper. I will put it in the front of the video though so that you will know. But you're gonna take your parchment paper. This works a lot better if you have a rolling pin, which I do not have here, so. Alright, so then you want to place this in the oven for between 8 and 12 minutes. So I'm going to put it in 10 minutes and see how it works. Alright, so I'm going to leave that in there and I'm going to just shut off the camera. I'm going to go ahead on and make these other two, the dough for dough, so that when this one comes out, I can put those two in so that I can get the food ready about the same time for everyone so that everybody can eat. See you guys in a little bit. Alright, so one thing I forgot to tell you is to make sure that you poke holes in there. I just took a fork and poked holes in it just to keep it from bubbling up. You can use a toothpick or whatever. But now you're going to take it and you're going to put your toppings on it. Now, I was supposed to have gotten some tomato sauce, but unfortunately I forgot. So I'm just using some pizza sauce that I already had at the house. I know, that's not what it calls for, but you know, we got to go with what we can go with. Alright, and then we're going to pop that in the oven for another 10 minutes and then we're good to go. So I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Alright everybody, so this is kind of what it looks like. I mean, it's kind of just thrown on the plate, so you know, it might not be as good a looking as it was when I actually took it out. But it smells pretty good. Now this is NTC Firefighters pizza here, so we're going to let him give us his review first. And then when mine is done, which will be in about 6 minutes, then I'll get mine and I'll give my review of it.
Alright, first off, this smell test is not too bad. It smells like one of them DiGiorno pizzas.
Hey, that's not bad. DiGiorno's pretty good.
It's not bad, but you know, it's not delivery.
It's DiGiorno.
So, God, that's hot as hot.
Yeah, it just came out.
Why are you gonna start this hot? Well, that piece don't smell too good. I'm gonna go there. Yeah, stop the video. It's a little hot, man.
Well, I didn't hold off on it.
Right off the bat, tastes like a DiGiorno pizza.
Really? That's not bad then.
No.
That's not bad.
Pretty good for coconut flour. I hate coconuts.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of coconut either, so I'm kind of weary about how
I
mine's
hate
gonna taste.
coconut water, man.
Yeah, I don't like coconut anything. I mean, like artificial coconut, almond joys and all that. No. So this is new for me. I've never actually had coconut flour, so this is brand new for me.
I like it. This is really hot right now. I would be eating this thing like a mug, but
I see the steam. But see, that's how I eat my food. I eat my food extremely hot, like right out the oven. That's just kind of how I do mine, so.
the second bite leads up to it. DiGiorno. So I can tell you right now, this ain't delivery. It's not DiGiorno. It's keto.
It's keto.
Keto. I give it a firm 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Just because I'm not a fan of pizza. So
As compared to a traditional pizza, with a traditional pizza being a 10 out of 10. How would you rate this compared to a traditional pizza?
I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10.
A 7 out of 10 is compared? That's not bad. That's not bad. I mean, because honestly, it looks pretty good. But, you know, for me,
Yeah.
I'm just kind of like the coconut flour kind of threw me off.
Yeah. Just the one thing I don't like is all the cheese. Like, I don't like a lot of cheese.
Yeah.
That's why I don't like pizza in the first place.
Well, you're going to be real upset when you find out what's in the crust.
Cheese.
Mozzarella cheese.
I know. I know. I tasted the mozzarella cheese.
Yeah,
Believe me.
Mozzarella cheese is in the crust. He's gonna burn his mouth off. Just let it cool.
No.
He's just gonna keep on burning his mouth off, I guess.
I think the main thing that threw me off is the mozzarella cheese.
I'm not gonna lie, that's making me so hungry.
I was like, I looked at the pizza, and I was like, that's so got mozzarella in that crust.
But it has a lot of other stuff in there also. Like it has cream cheese in the crust. I never thought that you would actually put cream cheese in a crust.
Neither did I.
Yeah, that's crazy.
It ain't bad at all.
It don't look bad, and it definitely don't smell bad. Maybe it's just because I'm hungry, but it definitely don't smell bad at all. We're gonna leave it at 8 out of 10 for him on. As compared to 7 out of 10 as compared to a traditional pizza, 8 out of 10 for just his own. But I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes and then we'll be right back because I have to wait for mine and cut mine up and all that good stuff. So see you guys in a few minutes. All right, so now it's time for my review. So I'm just gonna grab a piece. Let's say this one because it got more of the crust on the end.
Just engulf that piece.
I'm hungry, man. You can definitely taste the coconut. You can taste, maybe it's just because I'm extra sensitive to coconut because I'm not a fan of it. But I won't say that it tastes bad. I won't say that. It is more of a sweeter taste to it than what I would expect. But it's not that it's bad though. Now, I think the crust is kind of flimsy for me. You know, I guess most pizzas have flimsy crust, but you know the edges are kind of crunchy. Maybe you could solve that by putting it in a couple more minutes.
I can't get past the mozzarella.
I think what you're tasting really is that coconut. Because I am tasting that coconut. The coconut is actually, it's pretty strong in it, actually. But it's not so off-putting. It actually kind of goes together with it. But I will say that this is probably not the best thing that we've made. Not the worst. Well, yeah, not the worst.
I think it's the worst.
Well, we have made some pretty good tasting stuff though.
I like the lasagna. I really like that chicken we made. I really like the taco bites.
Honestly, I think there's some big contenders that it's going against. So, yeah, I think this is probably on the bottom rung of everything that we've made so far.
I think the best one is chicken.
The chicken was probably the best, yeah.
Second,
Yeah.
lasagna.
And then
Third.
the taco, and then this would be my fourth pick.
I like that taco.
Now, it's not that I wouldn't eat it again. I would probably eat it again, but I would probably try to do it without the coconut flour. Like I said, it's not so off-putting to where you won't eat it because I'm going to continue to eat. It's not disgusting or anything, but it's just I'm not a fan of that flavor.
Try doing it without the mozzarella.
I actually could probably put a different cheese in the crust.
Please, put some pepper jack.
That would actually probably be pretty good. And probably put some almond flour in there instead of the coconut. That'd probably be
the best pizza.
I think we'll probably do this again, but I think we'll do some pepper jack cheese in the crust
And instead of regular marinara,
and some
use that white marinara sauce.
white marinara sauce and use some almond flour. and we'll see how that turns out. So,
yeah.
but that's our review for this. Thank you guys for sticking around. The link towards this recipe will be in the description in case you want to try it yourself. Maybe you like coconut. Maybe you like the taste, and it'll go well for you. Maybe you like the mozzarella in the crust, and that'll go well for you also. But till next time, we love you guys. Till we meet again. Peace.